All right, so this is my first unboxing. There's my son behind the camera, my family's all over there. It's kind of crazy. This is an impromptu unboxing of the Sony PlayStation 5. I wasn't expecting it to arrive today, but it did. If you are trying to get a PS5, there are a lot of options if you want to spend some extra money, and I'll tell you right now, I did spend a little bit of extra money on this PlayStation 5. I think I spent $700, not counting shipping and handling and the other fees. I bought it from StockX. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with StockX, it's a great place to get stuff, and I'll show you later where you can go to look and get stuff. So, what you just heard fall down is Miles Morales. I actually bought this Spider-Man game from Best Buy. Again, I'm trying to do this quickly, so I heard it's a good title. Decided to check it out. But I'm really excited for this next-gen system. It's been a while since we had one. I bought both the PlayStation 4 and the Xbox One when they came out. Great systems. Won't say I really lean real hard either way or the other. It really depends on the game that you play. But StockX, in case you're wondering, you don't know how well you can see that green sticker. When they ship this to you, it's going to have that green sticker on there to let you know that they authenticated it as an actual brand new PS5. And from what I can tell, it's a new PS5. So we'll go ahead and box this because my wife and family are waiting. So, get a good look at that. I know there's a knife in there. Let's see. Yes, thank you. Take a look at that there. So we'll go ahead and open this using the Cutco knife. And I just put over here. Like I said, I'm not worried about the quality of the video. It's pretty impromptu. So I just broke both the factory seal as well as the new seal. So I will say, you see on the box it does 8K, 4K. So that's pretty exciting. I do have a 4K TV. I might show you that some other time. Am I still in the middle of the video? Good. I just had shoulder surgery, so bear with me. Well, not just had, it's been about 6 weeks. Finally got rid of the slings. So, inside of the white box, that's just a cover for the box. So, I don't see any problems with it. It looks pretty genuine right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna stand up though. Okay. Nice little handles there. All right, so out the bat, I know you saw that stuff fall out. Power cord. Now note, if you buy on places like StockX, pay attention to where you purchase, or not where, pay attention to where the PlayStation is coming from. There's an EU plug that is absolutely not going to work for the US, so I got the US plug. Pay attention to that. Also pay attention to if you get the Blu-ray or the digital version. I wanted the Blu-ray version, so already, I can tell you right now, this is a controller. I'm not going to open that just yet. You got the instructions here. Literature, nice. Who doesn't like to read more, huh? More reading. And actually, all those things came in a box. This box actually could have lifted it out. Okay, so this is that stand that I keep hearing about. It's always cool when it comes with its own cable. I don't know what the speed of this cable is rated at. Cool. And that looks like it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff back in there for now, so I don't lose any of it. You are recording, right? This whole time?
Yes.
Good. Good. All right. All right, now it's the moment. So I'm gonna try to do this carefully. It might not be that pretty on camera. Come over and check it out, Steven. I know you're waiting to see this too. All right, so this box is now empty. It's going down here. All right, so right off the bat, I'll tell you, it does have, it's not real heavy, but you can tell it's got a little bit of weight. It seems like it's a little heavier on this end than that end. Could be because we got the disc version. But I'm assuming by the way it feels that this is the way that it goes. I would hope that it's heavier on the bottom than on the top. And yeah, you can already see the outline. Might as well just go ahead and open it. So we'll get rid of these. Let me go ahead and sit down here again. Now, one thing I hear people complain about is the size of the PlayStation 5. I don't think that's really a problem. I have a media closet that it's going to go in, so I'm actually not even going to really see it while we're using it. That is actually pretty nice. Yeah, look at that. Not a single fingerprint. Looking good here. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. Alright, so you can take a look. So, as we said earlier, this is the disc version, right? The only bad thing I'd say with a white trim is dirt. I don't know how it's gonna look if it ever gets dirty. I'll also tell you that you can change these pretty easily. I heard that you can take the panel off and there's a way to increase the memory, which is cool. I'm gonna try to pick it up instead of just dragging it like that. So again, we got this angle. Looks like we have ventilation on the back. I'm sorry, not so much ventilation. It could be, I don't know. Don't really know. Well, you got power, HDMI, Ethernet, and 2 USB ports in the back. And then in the front, you've got USB, micro USB, and 2 buttons. So it's pretty nice. Yeah, that is pretty nice. All right, you can kill the video now. Ready? All right, I heard a lot of good things about this controller. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. There's not much to the wrapping. It's actually really comfortable in my hands with pretty good weight to it. Got a little bit of debris right there. Not sure what that is. That's factory dust. The buttons, I can tell you right now, are pretty similar to PlayStation 4. You got the microphone hookup on the bottom. I believe that's a touchpad. I heard a lot of people talking about the touchpad, but I have the feeling with this next gen console, there's a lot of things developers can do to utilize that. I'm also really interested in how they're going to use the haptics. I heard that these are actually will change how hard it is to push the buttons, or change how much force it takes to do certain things and control certain actions in a game, which will be really cool. I heard in 2K, this will actually be harder to push down if your player is fatigued, which is really cool. But it feels nice. I won't say it feels like an Elite controller for the Xbox, but it feels really nice. It's not hooked up, turned on or anything, but I do like that it doesn't have removable battery packs. I like that I can just charge it now. I do have the DualSense charging bay coming soon. So, yeah. Good, kill it.
New.
I think I completely missed that.
Conecta tu control a la consola con un cable USB y pulsa el botón PS.
What she said.
Branchez votre manette de jeu sur la console à l'aide d'un câble USB, puis appuyez sur la touche PS. Connect your controller to the console with the USB cable and press the PS button.
Know what to do.
Conecta tu control a la consola con un cable USB y pulsa el botón PS.
Don't tell me what to do. Stupid
Branchez
game.
votre manette de jeu sur la console à l'aide d'un câble USB, puis appuyez sur la touche PS. Connect your controller to the console with the USB cable and press the PS button. Conecta tu control a la consola con un cable USB y pulsa el botón PS.